Welcome to Label Studio for Odoo. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create professional product labels in just a few simple steps. To get started, open your Odoo dashboard and click on Label Studio from the main menu. Once inside, click the New button to start designing a brand new label from scratch. First, give your label a name. This is the title that will help you identify this label template later. Next, define the size of your label. Enter the width and height according to your label paper size. Now click Save to create your label template. After saving, you will see a Sections button appear at the top of the form. Click on it to open the Label Designer where you can start designing and customizing your label preview. Click on Add a line to add your first section. In the Section Type field, select Product Data. Then in the next field, select Product Name to link the section to your product name. The section will automatically show your last product variant as a preview. Don't worry. While generating the PDF, you can select any product variant you need. Let's style the section. Set the alignment to center to position the text horizontally in the middle of the label. Then set the height to define how much space the section will take on the label. Next, enable the bold option to make the product name stand out. Finally, assign a bottom border to add a clean dividing line below the product name section. Once everything is set, click Save to save your section. You can repeat this process to add as many sections as you need, such as product price, barcode, QR code, company logo, and more. Set the float to left to align this section to the left side of the label. Define the height and width for this section. Define the width in percentage to control how much horizontal space this section occupies on the label. In the Section Type field, select Text. Enter your desired text content. Just like before, enable bold and set your preferred font size to make the text stand out. Set the horizontal alignment to the center to position the text in the middle. And set the vertical alignment to bottom to push the text to the bottom of the section. Finally, enable the right border to add a clean dividing line on the right side of the section. Now, instead of creating a new section from scratch, we can simply copy this existing section. Click on the section and use the copy option to duplicate it. Then just change the content and adjust the styling as per your needs, such as the text, font size, alignment, or borders. This saves a lot of time, especially when you have multiple sections with similar layouts. Now, instead of static text, we will use these sections to display real product data. Simply change the section type to product data and select the specific product field you want to display. In this case, we are adding internal reference, units, and write date. This way your label will automatically pull the live data directly from your Odoo products. Now let's add a barcode section. Set the float to left and the width to 50%. Change the section type to product data and in the product field select barcode. Set the height as needed. You will notice that Label Studio supports multiple barcode types. Select whichever format suits your label. For this tutorial, we are going with code 128. Finally, assign a top margin and left margin to the barcode to add some spacing from the top and left edges of the section. Now for the price section, we duplicate the barcode section to save time. First adjust the margins from the right, left, and top as needed for this section. Then for the price title box, set the height first. Change the section type to static text, and type price in capitals. Now change the text color and background color of the section to make it stand out. Set the font size, enable bold, and finally set the text alignment to center. Now duplicate the price title section. First remove the top margin and set the height. Change the background color to white. Then set borders from the right, left, and bottom. In the section type, select price to display the sales price of the product. Change the text color to black. You will also notice the currency position field. You can set it to before, after, default, or even without currency symbol based on your preference. Finally, set the font size as needed. Now let's work on the last section of the label, the tagline. Set a top border and add a top margin for spacing. Change the section type to text and write your tagline. Set the horizontal alignment to center and enable bold. Set the font size as needed. Click Save and check the final preview of your label. Now let's go back and open this section again to show you some additional styling options. You can remove the top border, change the background color, adjust the text color, and modify the height to get the perfect look for your tagline. Here is the final preview of your label. Now let's generate the PDF. Select your desired product variant from the list and click Print. Label Studio will instantly generate a pixel-perfect PDF for your selected product. You can also define the horizontal spacing between labels and print in 2-up, 3-up, or even 4-up layout to fit multiple labels on a single page. Now let's print the label. Open the printer configuration settings where you can set the paper height and width to match your label size. Since we are printing in 2-up layout, the width will be 93 in this case. Make sure your printer settings match your label dimensions for a perfect print output. Label Studio is now live on the Odoo App Store. It is available for multiple Odoo versions. So no matter which version you are working on. Scroll down to explore the full module description, see the features in detail, and check out the preview images. For any customization requests or queries, feel free to reach out to us directly via the contact email provided on the page. Get your module today and start printing professional product labels with ease.